Hey guys, it's Ray here from RWilco12 and EpicDroid.com, and we're here today with a quick unboxing and first impressions video on the new OnePlus 8 Pro. Quick confession, I did open the box earlier, but then my guilt started to kick in and I decided that I would hold off and I would open it here on camera. So, I took the tape off, I took the label off, but that is literally all I have done. So I have not even opened it up yet. So here we have the first thing. This is your new OnePlus 8 is here. Congratulations, blah, blah, blah. Share a review for a chance to win a second OnePlus to give to a friend. We're doing the video anyway, so I guess we'll do that. This here is our packing manifest. We have some styrofoam stuff here. We have the brand new OnePlus Warp charger. We have some cases. We've got the sandstone bumper case inside. We've got another OnePlus bumper case, the sandstone black. And we've got the carbon bumper case. We have the OnePlus bullets. And then we have the OnePlus 8. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to open these in order of priority. So that means that unfortunately I have to save the phone for the absolute last. We'll do a quick thing here, look at these cases. So first off, we have the carbon case. So right away, I can tell you guys that this thing feels great in the hand. I really like the look of it, I like the feel of it, and I can't wait to put it on the device. It has a softer TPU outside than it normally does. Normally these carbon cases, most of the cases, they only have the pieces to fit around the phone itself, but this one has an additional softer TPU bumper up on the bottom and the top. So excited to try that out. So it's got the sandstone that I normally like and wraps around. It's got some cool bezeling there. See if we can show you there. So it's got some like groove texture on the top and on the sides. Kind of like that. That feels cool, and I think that's going to go great on the device. And they did the same thing here. So they got that softer TPU piece for the top and the bottom that they don't have on the normal ones. And it does feel like there's more of a sandstone grip than there was on their other cases. And this one, same thing as the other one. Just in that cyan, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually kind of excited to try this case out. At first I was a little bit hesitant to order it, felt it was a little bit more on the feminine side. However, I really like the look of that. It's I'm kind of surprised by how much I like that. I think that'll be my first case I throw on there. So we'll set that one off to the side. So there we have the headphones. They are already in there. Looks like they're, basic headphones there, so nothing too fancy. We'll have to try those out here later on. What we got in here? Oh, so there's our charging cable. There's some additional earbud pieces. Next up we have the charger. And I'm not going to lie, the charger is probably, after the phone, is the thing I am the most excited for. I have really missed my wireless charging, and can't wait to get it back. That's probably the one thing that I had the most complaints about with OnePlus, was that it didn't come with wireless charging. So I'm very excited to have this, and very excited to have the wireless charging on my OnePlus 8 Pro. So as far as chargers go, it looks like it's pretty self-explanatory. The cable is now removable, so that is attached there. Just got a nice little puck that you plug into the wall. Nice long cable. Gives us lots of room. I'm actually going to go away for a second and plug that in underneath my desk. There we go. It took me a few minutes to find a plug that would work, and unfortunately it's not going to go all the way, so I can't get it in an optimal spot. We'll kind of put that off over here. We're going to open the phone, and then we're going to try it on that charger. There is the phone. Put that over here for just a second, see what else we got in the box. We got another little case here, and it looks like this one, it's Never Settle. I kind of like that nice little imprint on there. We got the cable, and we got the charging puck. Oh, perfect. We got stickers. I'm going to be saving those. And that's a nice little touch. It comes with some screen protectors as well. And holy cow, I love the feel of this already. I don't know what they did different, but the back feels amazing. It almost feels like it's, I don't even know how to explain it, but it feels soft. Like it feels like I could scratch it. However, when I do run my fingernails across it, nothing is happening there. It feels grippy while still feeling smooth. And I like that a lot. Man, I like that an awful lot. That's probably my favorite texture I've ever had on a smartphone. Okay, sorry, getting distracted there. So all in all, I'd say it looks really good. It's a little bit heavier than my last phone. It does feel really good in the hand. I like that gripping. It fits very comfortably. Wow, that started up pretty quick there. And there we go. It's turned on. It's set up. Looks like it comes with bare bones essentials as far as the apps on it. It does have a little bit of bloat there. We've got the Netflix, Instagram. But beyond that, oh, and Duo and the OnePlus community app. So nothing like super crazy on there, but there is a little bit of extra stuff that I'm probably going to end up removing. It's super smooth. This is very responsive. I'm very much enjoying this. Very smooth, very responsive. I really like the screen. It's hard to show on the camera there, but it moves very quickly. It's very fast. There's no issues there. In dark mode, it looks great. Still just as responsive. I'm not seeing any color lag or anything like that. This thing is beautiful. I'm loving it. So my first impressions, I really like the look of it. I like the feel of it. Power button is very easy to get to from that little point right there. The volume buttons, no issues using them. The slider, it seems like the slider button is a little bit smaller than what it was on previous versions. Might be a little bit harder to use. I don't think it will be, but just throwing it out there. Here on the bottom we do have our SIM tray. We got a nice little open grill for the speaker. Again, I super like that back. Let's try out the camera real quick. The first thing I see is I'm going to have to clean off my keyboard there. Getting in close, I can see a little bit of dust. It's got some nice zoom there. Man, and that is super responsive. That's very clear for using the zoom. I'm excited to try it out some more, see what I can do out in the real world. But yeah, all in all, I'm definitely going to say I would recommend this. So if there's anything you guys want us to cover in our full review, please feel free to hit us up in the comment section down below, and we'll definitely be sure to include that or try our best to. If you guys have any questions about the device or anything you want us to look at, feel free to leave a comment about that as well, and we'll respond as soon as we are available. If you've enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more like it, please remember to give us a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. And as always, just want to tell you guys thank you for watching, thank you for all your support, and you all have an awesome day.